Unlocking your full potential, the benefits of practicing naked yoga for enhanced stretching and flexibility. Welcome, folks, to the beautiful world of yoga, where we all seek to connect our mind, body, and spirit. Today, we're discussing a seldom explored branch, naked yoga. Naked yoga, as the name implies, is practiced in the nude. It brings with it a range of benefits for both physical and mental well-being. One of the most obvious benefits is the enhanced freedom of movement. Clothing constrains your body, limiting your range. Naked yoga frees you from these restrictions. This increased range of motion in turn leads to improved flexibility. You will be able to perform stretches that were previously impossible. Without clothes acting as a barrier, you can really get in tune with your body. You can feel every stretch, every muscle tightening and releasing. This heightened body awareness promotes mindful living. You become aware of your body's needs, strengths, and limitations. Naked yoga can also boost your self-confidence. Practicing yoga naked forces you to confront and embrace your body, helping you love yourself just as you are. Practicing naked yoga can be very liberating. Stripping down can embody the shedding of societal norms and expectations, freeing you on a mental level. Naked yoga leads to improved body temperature regulation. Without clothes, your body can cool naturally, making it easier to maintain a consistent inner body temperature. This practice also encourages better breathing. Without constrictive clothing, you can breathe deeply and completely, enhancing the meditative aspect of yoga. Naked yoga can make you more resilient. In a society often obsessed with body image, practicing naked yoga can help foster a healthier relationship with your body. Practicing naked yoga also aids in better posture. With nothing to hide behind, you become acutely aware of your body alignment. Naked yoga promotes acceptance and non-judgment. Practicing in a safe, non-judgmental environment can foster a sense of community and acceptance. Naked yoga allows you to visualize the poses better. Seeing your body move without the distraction of clothes can help you understand the postures more deeply. You'll also experience a sense of vulnerability. This vulnerability can bring about a sense of courage and strength that extends far beyond the yoga mat. Practicing naked yoga can help you conquer body shame. It's a radical act of self-love, expressing acceptance of your body in its rawest form. Naked yoga can also boost your mood. The combination of deep breathing, enhanced physical awareness, and body acceptance can lead to an elevated mood. Naked yoga teaches you to be in the present. Without the distraction of clothes, you're more focused and present in each moment. Naked yoga encourages you to embrace your natural state. It's a return to our most natural form, promoting a sense of authenticity. Naked yoga is an excellent tool for stress relief. The focus on breath, body, and the present moment helps to calm the mind. Last but not least, practicing naked yoga can increase your energy levels. The process of deep breathing and focused movement, free from constraints, can invigorate your body. In conclusion, naked yoga offers many benefits from physical to emotional to mental. It's a holistic way to wellness. A journey of self-discovery and acceptance that's worth exploring. Remember, the purpose of yoga is to create unity, peace, and harmony within ourselves. Whether you choose to practice it naked or not, the important thing is to respect and love your body. Thank you, and Namaste.